A story we've been following for years out of Tompkins County. The National Labor Relations Board has ruled Starbucks close their Ithaca locations for, quote, anti-union reasons. A judge for the NLRB has ordered the company to reopen their locations at 130 East Seneca Street and 722 South Meadow Street, which were closed in May of 2023, a little over a year after the locations decided to unionize. The judge's ruling echoes a similar ruling made last year regarding a third Ithaca location that was closed on College Avenue, with the judge also demanding that location be immediately reopened. However, that location remains closed. The ruling also orders the company to offer affected Ithaca employees back pay. In a statement to 12 News, Starbucks responded saying, quote, "We are reviewing the administrative law judge's decision regarding actions at the two stores in Ithaca, New York." They went on to say, quote, "Our focus continues to be on training and supporting our managers to ensure respect of our partners' right to unionize and on progressing negotiations towards ratified store contracts this year," end quote.